Hello everybody and welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create your own AI image generator using Stable Diffusion. So if you have never heard of Stable Diffusion, it is a pre-trained model which you can use to create your own AI image generator. But the process will be slow and in order to make it fast, you need to have an NVIDIA CUDA compatible GPU. So if you have this, the process will have much faster. Otherwise, it will use CPU, which is much slower, especially the first time. So without that, let's actually begin. So first, okay, guys. So to install the libraries that you need, so these are the commands I have saved them here. So you're gonna have to run this one, and then you're going to have to run this to install diffusers. So I already have this one, so it's not gonna take that long, but if this is the first time you're downloading this, it's going to take a while. I'll just come back when it's done. Transformers has successfully been installed. Now you can go ahead and install diffusers. And once this is ready, you should be good to go. Start writing our code. So go ahead and create a new file. You can call it anything I want. I'll call it my generate image.py. So let's write this from diffusers. Let's import stable diffusion pipeline. So over here, I'm gonna do, so we imported the model, so now it's bot equals to stable diffusion dot from pre-trained. So we're gonna import pre-trained model, this one. Go ahead and copy that. I also put the link to the GitHub in the description. So we have that. Now let's go ahead and add our prompt. So this is gonna be the image description. You can do anything. I'm just going to do Michael Jordan jumping. Yeah, I'll just do jumping for now. Let me just do jumping high. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get to the main part. So over here, I'm going to do image equals to bot, and this will be over here to the prompt images. I'll explain this in a sec. Alright, here we go. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be capital. Close we did capital over here, so that was a variable. So anyway, so we're saying that image is that this bot will prompt it and it will get the first item out of the list. So now for this, you could give this multiple images to generate, and this will generate them in a list. So even though if you have one image, it will still generate them in a list. So you have to call the element that you're calling. So if we just generate one image and we want the first one is going to be at index 0, so we can extract the first element. So once we get that, we could do image dot save as generated image.png. So you could do anything. So once it's done, it will save it like that. And this is optional. If you want, you could do image.show. What this will do is after the process is completed, it will go ahead and display the image in your preview. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to, but I just like to do it. So now let's go ahead and run the program. It's gonna take some time, so after this process completes, I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so my image successfully generated and this is what I got. As you can see, it's not that good in graphics because you know how AI generates images. These are actually fake people, those are not real people. AI just made it uh normal normal people, but they don't really exist. And this kind of looks like Michael Jordan, but I think this AI does know who is Michael Jordan, and it did put it as number 3. So it's a pretty accurate AI. So if this was actually a pretty fun project, you could do any image you want, but the problem is going to take slower unless you have the NVIDIA GPU, that which was made by NVIDIA. My bad. So yeah, this was a pretty fun thing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another YouTube video. Peace.